We're running on empty. Hopefully we can make it out of Death Valley alive. Stay tuned to find out.
Why do they call it Death Valley?
Yeah.
After an awesome morning at Horseshoe Bend, we hit the road for more adventure. Next stop, Las Vegas, Nevada. The 4.5-hour drive took us through St. George, Utah, home of the St. George Narrows. We planned on stopping and exploring the Narrows, but encountered serious rain. Luckily, we had our new scrub blades to maintain a clear view. So we powered through Utah and saw some local YouTube celebrities along the way. The rest of the drive was fairly uneventful until we reached the city. Vegas truly is an oasis in the middle of the desert. We made it to Planet Hollywood, which is pet friendly and had secured parking for oversized vehicles. This was my first time to Vegas, and we were only there for the night, so we walked the dogs and hit the strip. Well, I'm not lucky with slots, but I sure am lucky. Aww. So we caught some of the strip during daylight. We went and saw an awesome show. And then checked out Vegas at night. Is that a real pumpkin? After checking out the strip, we came back, and poor little Ozzy Osbourne had a very, very rough night. Which means we also had a very rough night. After getting a solid 3 hours of sleep, it was time to get back on the road. We wanted to see more of the iconic Las Vegas landmarks by car. Seeing the famous Bellagio fountains while hearing Freebird in the background was just way too cool. We had to make a quick stop at the world-famous Little White Chapel Tunnel to get married. Unfortunately, the trailer was just a bit too tall. After a quick photo op, we headed towards the next Las Vegas landmark, the world-famous Las Vegas welcome sign. In our case, it was an exit sign. So we quickly bypassed the line, got a couple of Instagram-worthy photos, and headed towards our next big destination, Death Valley.
Where we at, baby?
Headed towards Death Valley.
We're in Pahrump, Nevada right now.
Pahrump.
Pahrump. Pahrump. There it is.
Pahrump. Pahrump.
There it is.
Pahrump.
There it is.
Pahrump. There it is.
Speaking of Pahrump, how you doing back there, Ozzy? Ozzy had a rough night last night. Poor buddy. Poor mommy and daddy too. 5.5 miles we turned left onto Bella Vista. Hopefully there's provisions and gasolina so we don't die in Death Valley. Till death do us part, my love.
To death do us part.
Yeah, the drive-in wedding chapel in Las Vegas is pretty great.
Yeah, that was awesome.
This is insane.
So cool.
Still about 1,000 feet above sea level, heading down to the valley floor. Yeah. It's such weird terrain.
Hey, Ozzy. We're out of mom's way.
Wow. Ozzy, careful.
From here, we made our way deeper into the Death Valley National Park. Heading down into the valley itself, we passed by this cool little town and then made our way towards the Painter's Palette. Painter's Palette is a one-way drive through some amazing scenery and terrain in Death Valley, and a drive that we highly recommend taking.
Wow.
Where we at, baby?
We're on the Artist Drive in Death Valley.
Wow.
Pretty incredible. It's amazing. Just like all the different colors up here too.
Because of the great geometry of the RLT travel trailer, we're able to make these tight turns and make it through Painter's Palette no problem.
Never would have gotta be this sick.
From Painter's Palette, we headed towards Water Basin, which is the lowest point in North America below sea level. Check this out.
At Water Basin.
That's sea level right there. 282 feet above us.
So cool. Now the question is, where to next?
Gas station.
Come on, boys. Ozzy, leave them.
We're running on empty. Hopefully we can make it out of Death Valley alive. Stay tuned to find out.
Why do they call it Death Valley?
Yeah. I don't know, it's not very hot.
Gas stations around here.
I'm wearing black pants.
Wearing all black.
Same.
Haven't broken a sweat. Yet.
No humidity.
This is actually the perfect temperature right now.
Boys, look at them. Video.
Come here. Ozzy, come here. Ozzy, come on.
I'm so happy. Ozzy.
Come on, you service animals.
Yeah, you animals. Come on.
The ridge. Pretty cool.
Update. We don't have any service in Death Valley. We're very hungry. We're very tired. We're running low on water. This is all we have left.
Don't do what we did.
Ozzy already peed all his water out, so we can't drink any of that. But look at this sunset. This is definitely worth it. We got pretty cool view going on. Not many people see sunset in Death Valley because they're all a bunch of chickens. We not chickens though. How long it's down the road?
Why did the chicken cross the road?
We've seen the chicken cross the road and almost get killed. So. To the right is the Artist Drive. We did that. That was super sick. Hopefully the GoPro captured some of the beauty of it. This is the most beautiful part of this whole drive.
Please, this is the most.
Hey, Ozzy. Wow. Bling bling.
After exploring Death Valley, it was time to head towards our next campground in Lone Pine, California. From there, the adventure continued. We planned on getting gas in Death Valley and came across a closed gas station, which at first was kind of scary, but luckily we had plenty of fuel to make it to the next open station. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, share with some friends, and stay tuned as the road less traveled continues to Yosemite.